Hey guys, come in. I'm going to be doing a huge renovation in the next few months. Just out the back here. Come and have a look. Okay, so all of this is coming down and we're building a brand new extension. But before we start the downstairs, I need to finish the upstairs and I really need to get my electrics done. So I think I'm going to jump onto Hoppy and book myself an electrician. I'm in my account on the Hoppy website and I want to book an electrician. And, oh, I've got all these options. I need something to do with sockets. So, oh yeah, socket installation. Brilliant. Next, urgent, within 3 days, within a week. Oh, I'll go within 3 days. Okay, so I need bedside sockets installed. Done. Job posted. Okay, what have I got to do next? You guys can go.